The great thing about day trading is you can look at charts for the last 100 years. Maybe not 100, but like the last 20, 30 years. You can literally pull up charts and you can look at different stocks. You can look at different markets over the last 30 years, and you can see these patterns that were talked about here in the course. You can see these patterns repeating themselves, and you can go and you can find these patterns and you can start to back test. You can start to look back at all of the different times where the market gave you, a bear flag, where the market gave you a bull flag. What happened? If you entered at the bottom of the bull flag and the market pushes up, and that happens over 100 times over the last year, what is the normal outcome of a bull flag breakout? How many points do you normally get? What's your overall risk? The great thing about trading is you can back test and you can go back and actually start to analyze the market and start to come up with a strategy that repeats itself. Because if you look back over the last 6 months and you see like, hey, every time the market does this setup, this pattern, it ends up going up 20 points and I'm able to take a trade. Well, guess what? You're finding an edge. Backtesting is a great way for traders to go back and look at repeating patterns and see when that pattern repeats, what is the probable outcome?